Have you been using the Deepseek AI app and wondering on how to attach documents on it? Then this tutorial is for you. Deepseek AI makes it easy to work with documents, whether for text analysis, summarization, or data extraction. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach documents in the Deepseek AI app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Deepseek app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto plus sign at the bottom just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find a document option just right here. Now select it. Now from here you can simply choose the document that you want to add just like this and tap on to open. Now here you can see the document has been updating. And that's it. This is how you can attach documents in the Deepseek AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.